In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the rear wiper blade on this Jeep XJ Cherokee. I'm going to show you how to change a rear wiper blade on a Jeep. You see, as you can see, this one's pretty bad shape here. And I literally bought the cheapest wiper blade I could find on purpose to see if I could find a good deal for y'all. And this blade at Walmart was 98 cents. And it looks identical to this one, so you don't have to spend a lot of money to at least get you by. So let me show you. And the same instructions could be applied to even other type of Jeeps like this JK or even JLs or what have you. It also works on Ford, Chevys, Dodge, Toyotas, and anything else you might have. These instructions probably won't work on old classic vehicles like this 65 Chevy pickup. This is where most people find the issue. They try to pull this blade off straight down, but you really can't. So what you've got to do is you pull your arm out a little bit and you put the blade at a 90 degree to the arm here, okay, perpendicular, and there's a little tab right there. You pull that tab and then you pull it toward yourself, or pull it toward pull it toward the tab. So we're going to pinch this and we're going to pull it back. Now that I have it pinched 90 degree, you see it will come off just like that, and you have to kind of move the blade around and then slide it right out. So in the reverse, let's put it on, and that's how you put it back on. So I'm going to take it off again, pinch it, pull it off. There you go. Be very careful, you don't want to break your window with that. So out with the old and in with the new. So let's try this new one here. So on your new wiper blade, you should have this little pivot point. This is either going to be already installed or you'll have to clip it in. So you're going to have to do the reverse of what we did. So take the little piece there, make it perpendicular, and slide it on. So we're going to put it through here. Make sure it gets around that part, and we're going to push it, and usually it clicks. Just like that. And then you fold it back, and there you have it. And you always want to give it a little tug to make sure it is locked in. So if you can find this blade at Walmart, it might be on your clearance aisle. Here is what it looks like, and there's the UPC number. I hope this video helped you change your wiper blade on your Jeep or any other car for that matter. If you feel that this video didn't help you, I have some other wiper blade videos on a wiper blade video playlist on my channel, so please check that out. Y'all have a great day.